Simplifying the deployment of front-end applications like React or Angular has traditionally been a challenge. However, numerous initiatives are underway to make this process more straightforward and user-friendly. We have platforms like Netlify, Heroku, Vercel, and Render. But apart from these, if you already have AWS account, then you can take advantage of AWS Amplify. With as minimum as 5 clicks, you can deploy your front-end app. Yes, you heard it right. Just 5 clicks, that's what it takes. Stay till the end of the video to see deployment of React app. Here I have React app with single component. If we run this app with npm start command, we can see this app has green color. Let's start deploying this app to AWS Amplify. This is first step of creating new Amplify app. Since we have our code on GitHub, we will integrate Amplify with GitHub by giving Amplify all the necessary permissions to host our application. Let's select GitHub here. This will redirect us to GitHub login page. Let's log into the GitHub with username and password. Next, we can see Amplify is asking for the permissions here. Let's authorize Amplify to access our account. Next, we will be redirected to choose our organization and then choose required repository. Here, we will select repository where code for our React app exists. Now, in this step, Amplify will access our codebase and install required scripts for CI and CD. Next, we will be redirected back to Amplify to choose repository and correct branch. Let's select our repository, then the default branch will be main. Let's hit Next button. Here we will be presented with build and test script. These commands will be used to build and test our app. If we want, we can change these settings as required. For simple React apps, default configuration works perfectly. Let's hit Next now. In this phase, Amplify app will be created and deployment will be started. Here we can see resources are being provisioned to build and test our app. Next, build will be started, and finally bundle will be deployed. On left side, we can see link has been generated for app. If we click on this link, our app will be opened in Next tab. Here we can see our app has green color. Told you, just 5 clicks is what it takes. Next, how does latest changes to the app will be deployed? Let's change color of our app to blue. We will change background color of our component and also change the message. Now, we will stage these changes to Git and commit. Take a note of commit message here. If we push these changes to GitHub now, then new deployment will be triggered automatically. Here we can see whatever commit message we gave while committing changes, same commit message being shown here. It means Amplify is trying to deploy our latest commit here. Amplify will perform provision, build, and deploy stages on our latest commit. Now, if we click on link, then we can see we have blue color here. If we go back to previous tab and reload, we can see the blue color here as well. No hot reloading is required. AWS Amplify supports full-stack development. We can set up and build both front-end and back-end apps using Amplify. We will see remaining features later sometime. If you don't want to miss that, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.